your online textbook. So you need to scroll down to Unit 2, where it says Electricity Flexbook. Click on that. This is a short online bit of information. Your screen will not look like mine. Not yet. So where you see at the top in the black, right up here, where it says join in a red box, you click that. Then you click sign up with Google. Make certain you are in your school Google account and not your personal Google account. I know many people run both. You need to sign up with your school account. Then you're going to sign up in the red box where it says sign up with Google. Then you're going to get a screen. You're going to see this, but on top of this will be a dialog box that's asking who you are. You are a student. The zip code for Springdale is 72762. And you can list yourself as being in 9th grade because this is a 9th grade class. It's going to ask, can it check your email? It's just wanting, this is a school-based program, they just want to check that you are a student. So when you get the box about checking email, you tell it okay. Then you're going to have this screen, but on top of it is going to be a box asking who you are. You are a student, not a teacher. That gives you different information, and it's really not very different. Unit 2, all the way to the bottom. Electricity flexbook. The electricity worksheets are not going to be graded for your science grade. Those are there for you to self-assess. After you have skimmed through the Flexbook on electricity, look at those worksheets. If you can't pass them, you're probably not ready to do a project. You don't know enough about electricity yet. So those worksheets are what's called a self-assessment tool. They are not going to be a science grade, but if you can't pass those worksheets, you probably don't need to start on your project yet. This is an online textbook, so it is very different. So you click here. Blue means you, and you can go. That is the, what? Yeah. We had internet issues yesterday. So a little circle like that. There we go. This is just an introductory page, but at the bottom, chapter outline, think of those 3 blue sections as being like new sections in a textbook. Again, blue is you and means you can go someplace. I must get down here to electric current. The neat thing about this resource is there are several embedded videos. So if you are confused on something, they give you a nice lesson vocabulary right there at the top. There's an embedded video. The graphics are very nice in this resource. Several places you're going to see right here a hyperlink where you can go someplace else for either more information or another video or a science experiment. Not options that you can get in a regular textbook. Also, an option that you have, since this is an online digital text, it's searchable with that Control F search bar. So if you remember, hopefully you remember, number 3, the NGSS that we're looking at, specifically talked about the strength of electric and magnetic fields. So I can go into my Flexbook on electricity. I can skip this little introductory paragraph, which is kind of cool, and go into the first section on electric charge. Being online means it's searchable. When you're using a web page, if you see this magnifying glass, that is not where you want to type in a search. The magnifying glass is where you're searching that entire web page. But you can search this entire document with that Control F search bar. So remember the NGSS talked about fields. If I type in field and hit enter, it's here 12 times. If you hit the down arrow, it takes you right to where you see the word field, and it's highlighted for you. So it's telling you that describe electric fields is one of the objectives, and it's one of the vocabularies. And it's in your first NGSS for your project. So there's a paragraph that is all about electric fields, probably one you should read. The way to use this tool, if you want to read the whole thing all the way through, awesome, you rock, you love science, we should probably get together sometime. It's great. But if you are pressed for time in your other classes, or reading is not your big forte, then you can use that search to go straight to the information that you need. But now that you've read it, you need to record it. So open your Gmail in a new tab. Monday, I sent you out a document.